Imagine you are driving your heavy-duty diesel truck, and suddenly the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, while your engine starts blowing thick black smoke and losing the power you rely on. If you have scanned your vehicle and found the code P2060, you are dealing with a low-voltage issue in your reductant injection air pump control circuit. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to many modern vehicles from manufacturers like Dodge, Ram, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen made after 1996. To understand this, you need to know that today's powerful diesel engines use selective catalytic reduction systems to meet strict emission standards. This system injects diesel exhaust fluid, often called DEF, along with a bit of air into the exhaust stream to help the catalytic converter and particulate filter work efficiently. When your powertrain control module, or PCM, sees that the voltage in this air pump circuit is lower than it should be, it triggers this code and might even put your truck into a limp mode to protect the expensive catalyst components. Ignoring this is a bad idea because it can lead to permanent damage to your exhaust filtration system, which is very costly to replace. To fix this, you first need to check for any physical leaks in the lines, because if the system cannot hold pressure, the pump might work too hard or not at all. You should use a high-quality diagnostic scanner to pull the freeze frame data and see exactly what was happening when the code hit. Then, grab your digital voltometer, or DVOM, and start testing the actual pump and the pressure sensors against the specifications in your service manual. Often, these issues come down to a supply pump that is leaking internally or a wiring harness that has been frayed or disconnected. Make sure you check all the connectors for corrosion because a tiny bit of rust can cause the low voltage reading that is tripping your PCM. If you find a technical service bulletin for your specific model, it might point you to a known software update or a common wiring failure point that could save you hours of head scratching. Repairing any identified leaks or faulty sensors early is the best way to get your fuel efficiency back to normal and keep that black smoke out of your tailpipe.